to get the full nutritional value out of meat. Humans get most of our energy from our food from carbohydrates, mostly starch from plants, cereals and vegetables. The cat doesn't eat cereals and vegetables in nature. The only time even a house cat will snack on plants is if it's trying to get some vitamin C from chewing on grass. So the cat can't rely on starch as an energy source. It has to have a super efficient set of pancreatic enzymes to get as much energy as possible from protein and fat. So big pancreas for the size of the animal.
That's it right there.
That's also why it has quite a short large intestine. You know, in us, the large intestine would be all the way from here over to here. Here's the cat's large intestine, and like I said, it's more like a question mark. Here's the cecum. That's this part here that's kind of a dead end. Here's where the ileum, the small intestine's last portion, is attached. And then here's the colon, running almost the whole length of the large intestine. Push the urinary bladder aside, and here's the rectum where it goes straight. We can't actually see the anal canal in these specimens because the anal canal is buried in the pelvis, and if we try to expose that, we're going to destroy the urethra, which we'll want to see later on. But you can see the anus and a little bit of the anal canal visible through that. Yeah, there's no appendix in the cat, because again, it's not a plant eater.
Can you see the ascending, transverse, and descending colon?
As I just said, you can't distinguish the three because the cat's large intestine doesn't make sharp right-angle turns.
Okay.
It just curves like a question mark.
Okay.
Yeah. Things to find in the cat. Like I said, you can't really see the distinct regions of the colon, but you can find the parts of the large intestine. The small intestine and large intestine, they don't meet end to end. Instead, the small intestine comes in from the side, like this. So this would be small intestine, this would be large. My fingernail, the little dead end part there, that would be the cecum. Little dead end portion of the large intestine. Yeah. The cecum is quite small in humans and in cats, but in some animals that eat more plants than we do, like horses, like rabbits, like gorillas, it's much larger. Animals that eat lots of plants use their cecum kind of like a compost heap. They send leaves through their digestive systems, absorb